Tata Float shoes have taken the internet by storm, with countless viral clips showing people seemingly defying gravity and floating midair while wearing them. And naturally, curiosity and skepticism are at an all-time high. At first glance, the videos are mesmerizing. Shoes that let you glide above the ground, effortlessly hovering as if physics no longer applied. But when looking closer, several red flags emerge that cast serious doubt on their authenticity. The most glaring issue is the videos themselves. Most of them appear to be heavily edited or manipulated, with visual inconsistencies and shaky camera angles that could easily hide wires, supports, or other special effects. Then there's the lack of any official source or credible company information. There is no website, press release, or patent documentation to verify that Tata Float shoes exist as a legitimate product. In addition, the online accounts posting these videos are often random, anonymous, or inconsistent, and there's no evidence of mass production or even sales, which is unusual for something generating such massive attention. Even social media discussions among tech reviewers and shoe enthusiasts point toward skepticism, highlighting that if such shoes were real, there would likely be testable prototypes or at least detailed technical breakdowns, none of which exist. On top of that, attempts to find them for purchase come up empty, which further reinforces the idea that they're more of a viral marketing myth than an actual product. While the idea of hovering shoes is exciting and captures the imagination, the reality based on available evidence is that Tata Float shoes are not verified, are unsupported by any credible technical data, and are most likely a social media phenomenon rather than a tangible, functional invention. So while the concept is fun to think about, anyone considering them as a real, usable product would be met with disappointment. The hype is strong, but the actual proof is virtually non-existent.